Hello guys, this is Neha Bhandarkar. So today we're going to learn a very important plus interesting topic, that is how to apply conditional formatting to your given data in Excel. So first thing comes in mind that what is conditional formatting. So conditional formatting is most oftenly used to highlight, synthesize or differentiate amongst your data and its information. And it's also allow you to apply special formatting to the cells which meet certain criteria. So let's see how it is. So you can see I have this data over here. This is serial number. I have my product, quantity, price and total. In column B, I have product like laptop, mobile phone, camera, mobile charger. So like if I want to find laptop, so first I'll write over here product and then I'll write my criteria is laptop because I want to find laptop. So for that I'll select this entire column over here. I'll go on home tab. You can see I have conditional formatting over here. So I click to new rule, go to the last option, that is use a formula to determine which cells to format. And here I'm going to write equals to. Then I select this cell over here and you can see I have $2 present. So what I'm going to do, I'll remove the row $. It means I unfix 0. So I again equals to, and I'm going to select this cell because from this cell our data will going to compare, that is H3. Then click to format. In the fill option, choose whichever color you want. I'll select the yellow color over here, click on OK, enter OK. So these are my laptop. If you want that mobile phone should be present, so simply write here mobile phone, enter. So this is my mobile phone present. So for that you need to write here your product. But if you want that by just your one click the laptop should be highlighted, so how it would be? How you going to do that? So for that you need to add drop down over here. So for adding the drop down you need to go on data tab, go to data validation. Now I'll select the list over here. In source I'm going to write my source is laptop and mobile phone. You can write any other product here, but current I am writing this two product. So here you can see my drop down has came. So from here I'll select laptop and by just your one click you can switch to mobile phone. And adding the drop down, it make user easy to find their desired product. So now what we did, we applied the condition for the column values. But now if you want to highlight your entire data, like if I want to put conditional formatting to my entire record, so first I'll write my criteria like I want to find camera, for example camera. So for that you need to select your entire data over here, go to the home tab, go to conditional formatting, go to new rule, go to the last option, that is use a formula to determine which cells to format. And here I'm going to write equals to, then I'll select this cell. Basically I remove this $sign because I want to see my entire row. Then again equals to, I want to select this cell because from this cell our data will going to compare, that is I3. Yes. Now change the format in the fill option and I'll going to select the green color over here, click on OK. OK. So this is my product entire record. And if you want to find mobile charger, so simply write here mobile charger, enter. So this is my mobile charger record, like I brought two mobile charger and my mobile charger price is 14,000 rupees and it is in the serial number of 7. So now if you want to remove this condition. So simply go on conditional formatting. First I'll need to select this cell. Now go to conditional formatting, go to clear rules. Here you can see I have two options present. So I'll going to select first option, that is clear rule from selected cell. So you can see my selected cell condition were removed. So now I want to apply the condition like it should be greater than 50,000. So I will apply the condition with some logical test. Like I write here product price. Let me write here instead of that greater than 50,000. So I want my product price which is greater than 50,000. So simply I'll select my entire data, go to conditional formatting, go to the new rule, go to the last option, and here I'll going to type equals to, then I'll select the price over here because I want to know my price. My criteria is my price, my product should be greater than 50,000, then my product price. So I'll remove the $sign, greater than 50,000. Then I'll change the format. I'll going to give light pink color. Click on OK. OK. Oh, this is skin, I think. So these are my product which is greater than 50,000. The price is greater than 50,000. So similarly you can go for less than also. Less than, let me write here 40,000. Okay. So what I'll going to do, I'll go on conditional formatting, go to the last option, that is manage rule, click to this worksheet. Now select this cell which we had applied the condition for greater than 50,000. What we are going to do, we edit this cell, like instead of greater sign I'll going to put here lesser sign, and I'll remove the 5 over here and replace it with 4. Then click OK. OK. So here you can see my product which is greater than which is less than 40,000. Yes, like my mobile phone is 35,000. So all this price is lesser than 40,000. Okay. So now we move to another criteria, that is I want my product price should lies in between of 35,000. Let me write for your better understanding. My product price between 35,000 to 50,000. Yeah. So I'll merge it from here. Okay. So now if you want that product, those price lies in between of 35,000 to 50,000. So what I'll do, simply I'll select my entire data. I go on conditional formatting, go to the new rules, go to the last option, and here I'll going to put equals to, and I'm going to insert the AND function here, bracket open. Now select the price and remove the $sign. My criteria is the product price should lies in between of 35,000. So greater than 35,000, comma, again select the price, remove the $sign, less than 50,000. Okay, format. So I'll give it blue color. Click on OK. OK. So these are my product those price lies in between of 35,000 to 50,000. So like this you can find your product price. And moving to my another criteria is I want specific product. Like for example, I am taking the laptop. That laptop, wherever laptop is present, that price should be greater than 60,000. So first I'll write here my criteria is specific product price greater than 60,000. So if I want to know my laptop, those price is greater than 60,000. So I'll select my entire data over here. I'll go to conditional formatting, go to the new rule, go to the last option, and here I'm going to write equals to, and I'm going to insert AND function here, because AND is used to evaluate the multiple condition. So and our condition is the product, that is laptop, it should be greater than 60,000. So I'll remove the $sign and equals to, manually with double inverted comma I'll write here laptop, double inverted comma close, then comma, then select the price over here, remove the $sign, put the greater value greater than 60,000. Now give the color in format, so I'll give purple color, click on OK. So here you can see these are my laptop, is that laptop, those price is greater than 60,000. Here you can see there is another laptop is present in my data, but it is not highlighting. And you know why it's not highlighting? Yes, because it is not greater than 60,000, right? It is less than 60,000. So it is not highlighting. So like this you can also create or highlight your data by using conditional formatting. And I hope you understood this video and find this video helpful. Thank you.